Welcome back to another computer sluggish video. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when we upload a new video.
In today's video, I will be showing you how to turn off the weekly scheduled optimization on your drives in Windows 10. To do this, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and type in defrag. You now need to click on the defragment and optimize drives here. This window will now pop up on your screen, and as you can see here, under scheduled optimization, mine's currently saying on, so my drives will be checked weekly and optimized as needed. So to turn this off, you just need to click on change settings, and if you want to turn it off completely, you just deselect this box here. Or if you just want a specific drive scanned and you want to deselect the others, if you click on choose, you can then deselect the drives that you don't want to be optimized and press OK. Once you're happy with the options, just press OK. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video did help. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe.